With the increased pace at which life is moving for many people in the modern age, apps that assist with productivity and organizing your life in general have begun to proliferate. That being said, I think there is a significant gap in the market for people that serve to help users with mental health and build healthy habits. Having consistently healthy habits are an important part of anyone's mental health and can help regulate the peaks and valleys of a rapidly changing mood. This is incredibly important for people with either mental illness or neurodivergences, where these effects are more pronounced. My FYMP, Observo, is designed to be a productivity and habit tracking web app. The app will allow users to track their habits, log them, and how they are feeling on a particular day. They can then historically look back and see how their mood has fluctuated over the course of time, but also have the ability to see what habits are grouped together with what mood. For example, on days when you exercise, you also happen to be in a good mood. The app will also recommend specific healthy habits for the user to pick up. For example, meditation, healthy sleep schedules, etc. They will also be able to go through a several-week program to go from having known nothing about this habit to a fully fledged practitioner. Each user is assigned a quote buddy, a virtual and customizable avatar that will match their mood. When you are happy, so is it, and when you are sad, so is it. This will serve as motivation for the user to improve their mood. The final aspect of the application is a social feature where you and your friends can create a buddy network where you can show each other's progress on building habits, try to build those habits together, and see how the network's buddies are feeling. This will be a subtle way to let other users know if you are in a good or bad mood and invite them to reach out and try helping improve that mood. The application will be coded mainly in React.js with Redux sitting on top of it as a library. I will also use Node.js and Firebase as backend technologies. The decision to use the technologies that I am, or my tech stack, came out of weeks of experimentation with various technologies. I started by coding in Vanilla.js, trying to see if I could achieve what I wanted to with it. When this proved cumbersome, I started looking outside for JS frameworks. Firstly Vue.js and then onto React. Having created 3 demo projects in React, I'm very interested in using it in my final year project for its supports, its speed, and its ease of use, but most importantly, its libraries and additional features that can be added on. I also chose to use Node.js, which is a cross-platform runtime environment for running JavaScript outside of the browser. It is an incredibly powerful tool for interacting with back-end servers and is often used to develop APIs, but is also great for highly scalable, data-intensive, real-time apps. Having researched the technical side of my project, I felt grounded in it going forward, so I began researching the softer side around tracking emotions and feelings. This ultimately led me to the decision that I should employ a simple color-based system where the user can input how they are feeling with minimal words that could cause confusion. I elected to use a system similar to the app Dalio, which I studied in my digital culture module. Ultimately, I feel like I am in a good place with my project going into semester 2. I feel the app has importance and it fits a niche that would allow it to serve many people at once.